Ayo, ayo, ayo. Ayo, 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 ayo. Ayo, you ever had to watch your moms get beat? Roaches crawling, crack pipe on the bathroom sink. You need to break out the speakers. Gold frame on the black Jesus, eating grilled government cheeses. Bottega weave suit, 23,000. Wore to a visit, had my name ringing through the mountains. Dope a Tupperware, chrome hard tips to the showers. Muster Virgil forces on the wreck yard. CO threw up in the tower, then cook. That's when shit got sour. Told him, if you snip powder, don't sell powder. Louis V patchwork, about 50 for the shirt, about 50 for the pants. Made the Pyrex dance, Lord. Gas stove, romance, love out the Waldorf. Gave 100 to the doorman, come they got soul vans. The Dolce Roadmaster stove, the Dolce stove matched the refrigerator. The Superfly guard let me reanimate it. Air holes on the tech, don't get humiliated. With light, 3 chains, 5 tennis bracelets. We old school, got them bagging with they titties hanging.
Kitchen lights, kitchen lights. Them bricks shine different under them kitchen lights. That money look bluer under them kitchen lights. Never seen a richer meal under kitchen lights. We don't lease, we buy the whole thing. I ain't selling nothing but the whole thing. Kitchen lights. Kitchen lights. You ever had to watch the work disappear? Water turn from foggy to clear, you just stand there and stare. Tech in the fear of God's sweat, she gon' air shit. Tell them niggas they can't mirror this. Everything I whip is like my wrist is. Way ahead of its time, food for thought. And the dish is like Pete Maravich is. God of the kitchen, they should've listened. They couldn't see my vision. I had Chanel dreams and Yale wishes. I had to dodge the wrangle with 7 bricks in the car seat like an infant. I'm a cook indefinite, I'm heaven sent. Shit get dirtier than Bill Lambert with the Pistons. I dropped a 10 for my dog, they gave him 20. When he touched back down, his baby gon' be 20. Hold your head, we gon' build a bassinet out of hundreds. He said his bunkie is a nigga from my town that owe me money. For an ounce I threw him back when they was doing the Dougie. They can't stop me, can't take this from me. The ones praying that I fall, the ones that say they love me. We had 100 bricks on the couch, it felt so good I wanted to die there. So many kilos piled up, I could've climbed here. I mean, to this level we at, feel the allure. You talking to a nigga that counted $500,000 cash with cocaine under his fingernails before. The plug told me it move faster when you take your time. I ain't understand them then, but it all made sense in due time. 9-hour Paris flight reminiscing on life. Kitchen lights. And my jersey in the kitchen lights. Kitchen lights. Them bricks shine different under them kitchen lights. That money look bluer under them kitchen lights. Never seen a richer meal under kitchen lights. We don't lease, we buy the whole thing. I ain't selling nothing but the whole thing. Kitchen lights. Kitchen lights.